Kesorkar Meghalaya Lingba Katanat Commerce and Industries Kalapan Kam Khusnam Ngut ki Riew nikti hagi kam shnatar na kebenta usnem arjar arpusaw arjar arpusan. Kini kisan Ngut ki Riew nikti kilong uba pras singkli nagasnong kadu Riboy District ba Guildford Pede na Shillong Raj Jawai West Giant Hills Mamsika and Sangma Chitoktak Tura West Garo Hills, Ensila di Shira Rongreng Chidegre is Garo Hills, but one step thank you na Umsong Riboy District. Kaniga Khusnam kakit san pawajar tingka kapisa but ka certificate marwe.
NEHU, with you on this morning on this chance occasion to distribute the state award to the selected awardees. Maybe this is the sixth, I think, not the second. This is the sixth time they have selected. And altogether there will be 30 numbers of state awardees was selected right from the very beginning in our state of Meghalaya. So we are really very proud of you. After a thorough examination of all your crafts, of all, which has been a long exercise, at the end the committee has found that they have been selected. Number one is from Samla, from Riew, Guildford from Jylla, Mamsika from West Girls, Samla from East Girls, and one step also from Riew. I mean, two state awardees from Riew District selected. So, we have seen in the past years, those state awardees, most of them, we have there are a lot of roads where we have contribute to what the estimate, what the overall handicraft artisans of the states. Some of them they have been used and bundled as designers by the office of the Development Commissioner Handicraft, with the Ministry of Textile, Government of India, and same for you also. The central government they will use you for whatever they require as designers. That is no normal thing for them. And beside that also I would like to request all the DCIC, please help this artisan also, so all of them they should also participate for the national level for a handicraft artisan. Please help all this paperwork and all. Since being the state awardee, they have only get some points. There are number of points, different criteria to be eligible for the first round of national award. So very happy that you already get some points when we are being contacted as a state awardee. And also I would like to inform you also that your role will not be limited here. You will also be given training to the co-artisans in your respective villages. Kindly share your valuable skill, because being a state awardee is not so simple. Whatever professional lesson you have got, you kindly share to your co-artisans. And in the meantime also, very soon we are going to open also the Innovation and Research Center here only in our campus, which is related with the handicraft and the handloom sector. So most of you, especially the state awardees, you utilize the facilities which is available here it is in terms of technology, how to enrich more in your different crafts, and how you can proceed further even up to the national level, and maybe in your to the donbosco toward marketing your products. And also in the meantime, we will also very happy to internal you as the designers on that innovation and research center, and all this community. It will be our scheme only, and you will be paid for that also. So only these two words, I congratulate all of you. Thank you.
The previous awardee, Masuddin, my colleagues, official from the DC Handicraft, the managing director of Banisi, and the faculty member of Riew. In fact, this event has an auspicious. Every year we have this event. Last year also, I was able to associate with this program, and today also it is a privilege for me to associate with this program. Today we are not just distributing prizes and awards, but we are celebrating the living heritage of our state. Every handicraft item, be it a woven basket, a piece of wood carved, it to be that is the soul of Meghalaya's indigenous culture and craftsmanship passed down by our forefathers. Handicraft, as you know, is the heartbeat of our rural and parts of urban economies. For our tribal people communities, it is more than a craft, it is a livelihood. I congratulate all the 5 awardees, and also the one from Garlands is not able to attend today's function because of the corona. Your hands do not just create products, they preserve the stories of our ancestors. It is my belief that every craft item that was created by the artisans has got a story behind it. We have the state award scheme for handicraft artisans, and this scheme was designed with a clear purpose to recognize excellence and improve innovation. These awards, as usual, carry a cash prize of 58,000, a trophy and a certificate. These are all testaments to your hard work and dedication. Besides this cash prize, it is also the endeavor of the department to follow up with the higher authorities so that we'll be able to give you the seed money for construction of workshed. To the winners of the today's event, wages for the year 2024-25. I want to give you a very big congratulations because of your hard work and dedication. You have set a benchmark and quality for creativity. Let us not end this program with the distribution of prizes and awards, but we would like all the awardees to pass on their skills to the generations, which is the very objective of the skill which the government has approved. Once again, I congratulate all the winners, all the awardees after this event. Thank you. Bless you.